Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to part 2 of your reading lesson today. Today in part 2, we're just going to review your focusing question task 2 expectations and talk about how you're going to turn in your writing. Yesterday, you filled out your organizer and planned for your writing for today. Let's take a look and review our expectations for our assignment today. All right, we have Focusing question task 2. The task is, what do you most admire about Ella? First, read the evidence on the Ella traits chart. Next, choose a trait you most admire about Ella. Then, write an opinion paragraph telling what you most admire about Ella. Support your response using evidence from the following text, Bigfoot Cinderella by Tony Johnston. Your checklist for success is be sure to include all of the following in your response, and that is all parts of an opinion paragraph, which yesterday, whenever we went over our organizer, we did that. We talked about all the parts of an opinion paragraph. Yesterday, I shared an example with you when I filled out my copy of the organizer. Let's take a look at that. All right, here we go. I wrote that I feel, and remember, excuse me, you have some resources right here. You have the opinion options for how you can state your opinion. And then here's the Ella traits chart, which they're talking about in right here where it says to read the evidence on the Ella traits chart. Okay, so here's your Ella traits chart for you to choose which trait you most admire and your evidence to support that trait, okay? So now back to my example from yesterday. Yesterday, I wrote, my opinion is I feel Ella is kind and generous. My reason was that she gave her fish to a bear, and my opinion conclusion was that is why she is kind and generous. I restated my opinion. Now today, you're not going to insert a picture of your organizer. You're going to write your paragraph on a piece of paper, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. So I just have my handy dandy notebook and a pen, okay? So I'm going to actually write my paragraph. I'm going to write, I feel, remember that's my opinion, I feel Ella is kind and generous. Then I'm going to write my reason, the sentence that shows my or states my reason. So I'm going to write, she gave her fish to a bear, which it turned out the bear was her berry godfather, remember? And then I'm going to restate my opinion in my conclusion and say, that is why she is kind and generous. Okay. So I took my sentences from my organizer and I wrote them here in my notebook. And I wrote a paragraph. Okay. So that is what you're going to do today. Then you're going to go to this slide right here and you're going to insert a picture of your writing into this slide. And then don't forget to come down and record your Flipgrid for your day 5 of fluency. All right, friends, I hope you guys have a great day and I will see you soon.